What is up, everyone? Day 36 of opening a Pokemon pack. Today we have a Scarlet and Violet Temporal Forces pack, so hopefully we can pull something good out of it. Pack is pretty heavy, so hopefully we can, again, pull something good. Here we go. Try to get something good. Give me a second here, get this pack open. Appreciate you guys watching all the pack opening videos. I'm gonna continue doing them. Give me a second here, get this pack open. Alright, here we go. First card, we have a Elgium. Pretty cool card. Next up, we have a Slitopede. Looks like a snake. That's evil. Pretty cool. Next up, we have a Marel. Looks like a mouse. Pretty cool. Then we have a Voilet. Pretty cool card as well. Next up, we have a Shrimpemix Codebreaker from Feature Set. Pretty cool card. Then next we have a Perlelius Judge. Pretty cool card as well. Then next up we have a Unifez Zint. That's definitely a pretty cool card as well. I like the art on it. Definitely pretty nice card. Then next we have Hollow Iron Violet from Feature Set. Pretty cool. Then next up we have a Fenzin Hollow. Actually, this is a reverse hollow. Pretty cool. Then next we have a Bramblegrass Hollow. Pretty cool card as well. Next up we have a Grass Energy. Then a code card. That'll do it for that pack. Catch you guys on day 37 of opening a Pokemon pack.